Today we are going to talk about the biggest hackathon in Europe. Junction is the biggest hackathon in Europe, and I was lucky to participate in it this year in Aalto University in Espoo. Before we start, subscribe on my channel and let's go. To start with, Hackathon is innovation competition where people come to solve challenges in a limited period of time. Usually people are working in teams. Big tech companies come to the hackathons to solve their problems and to give quite big prizes to the participants and the winners. This year, the organizers' companies were Reactor, McKinsey Digital, Huawei, Avian, Smartly.io, and many others. The main prize of Junction is 10,000 euros. Plus, on top of that comes the prizes from organizers, which could be 8,000 euros or gift cards on Amazon or AirPods. It really depends on the organizer. It is worth coming on Junction because of networking, gaining experience, and also probably getting a job. Even if you're not a winner, you still have good chances to get a job, to show your talents, and to find a proper contacts. It was my first experience with hackathons and with Junction. I took a challenge from the Reactor about mental health. The idea was to create a preventive solution, technical solution for mental health care. My team and I decided that we could help people who potentially might have mental health problems with animal care, and our solution is presented in this video. Our tech stack was Swift, so we built an app on the iOS. The backend was on JSON IP and Postgres database. We managed to have a working product and to present a demo for our idea. And here comes the most valuable things that I learned on this hackathon. First, you have to look at the rules. What do the organizers want from you? Second, book the time with the judge. Talk to the organizers. Maybe they already have something in mind that they want to see. Third, find a good team. It's okay to come to hackathon without knowing anyone. It's okay to find a team on premise, but you need to make sure that you can really work with a team. That's why I recommend getting to know your team in advance, maybe have a couple meetings before hackathons, talk to them, discuss potential ideas, and then decide if you really can work together. Fourth thing that I learned on hackathon is that everything should be done on parallel: development, design, and product side. Don't leave your presentation till the last moment. It's not gonna work, because at the end, this is a good presentation that decides everything about your solution. Fifth thing, make sure that you have a really good demo version of your product. It can be on real device, and it also should be available on the web. The last but not least is that your idea should be valuable. It should be able to go to business, even with organizers or without. And that's what makes your challenge, your solution, valuable for the judges. Will I come next year? Yes. Did I gain a lot there? Yes. To sum up, I can say that it was worth coming to Junction. So if you're looking for experience in IT to get a job, or you just want to practice or expand your networks, search for hackathons and participate. Don't be shy. There are totally different people who are coming there, and it's really good experience for you. I forgot to mention that hackathons usually last over a weekend, and you probably might get lack of sleep during the weekend. It's kind of normal, so be ready for this. There is lots of coffee on premise. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it was useful for you. Subscribe on my channel, hit the bell button, and get notified about new videos first. See you in the next videos. Bye!